I love this pattern, berries and cream, and it's a brand new pattern. So right here we have a square that we've sewn all the way around. We're going to be trimming our half square triangles to 3 inches. Clearly perfect slotted trimmers. We can just go right here because that angle is gonna be the same if I overcut just a little bit.
Okay.
There we go. And then I just come in right here and stick my rotary blade in, and look at that. You've cut your dog ears and everything.
Open that up for me, Cheri. I think that is fantastic. Voila.
There's the top of our berry, okay? But we're gonna show you how to put together a berry. Do a flip and fold corner. Do you see how they mirror each other? Mm-hmm. Now I want you to see this. You have 2 of these. You're gonna sew them the same. But now look. They're different blocks. You're gonna flip your flip and folds. You see that?
So Cheri, you absolutely 100% need this pattern.
Yes, it's very, very easy.
Very easy.